Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another class. Today, we're adding on to our Heart's Calling series. So just grab a mat, maybe some blocks, and we'll begin at the top. Beginning with the hands right along the side of the body, then we'll inhale, spiraling those arms overhead. Exhale, pray your arms down to a forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, back down. Let's step into a plank. Knees, chest, chin, chaturanga. Inhaling, upward dog, really pushing through the chest. Exhale, downward dog. Let's stay here 5 breaths, and then we'll repeat this one more time. Taking your last breath here, inhaling, exhaling, looking at the top of the mat, then we'll bend the knees, hopping forward, coming into a halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold, then we'll roll ourselves on up. Let's repeat that. Inhale, arms go up and above head. Exhale, arms, hands into prayer. Forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, stepping into that plank, going through a chaturanga. Meeting me in upward dog, really rolling those shoulders back and down, broadening. Exhale, downward dog. Again, another 5 breaths here. Inhaling, looking at the top of the mat, bending the knees, hopping on forward. Halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Let's roll ourselves on up. Arms go up and above head. Roll yourselves back on down, pulling yourselves to the knees, to the legs. Then we'll step into a downward dog. Holding here just a breath, we're going to bring the right knee into the chest, dropping it in front, and then dropping that back leg, that left leg, then tucking the toes. Inhale, just sitting up tall, right in the middle, core tight, knee facing 90 degrees right in front of us, broadening through that chest, holding here a few more breaths. Sinking into that front leg, getting a little bit of a hip stretch as well. We'll roll those shoulders back and down and broaden through the chest as we walk those fingers right behind us, just a few breaths. Then we'll drop that right hand down, inhaling, bringing that left hand around the side, then facing towards the sky, getting a nice stretch along the side and front body. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale, sweeping over to the right, going through the side, then turning up towards the sky. Exhale, on over to the other side. Inhale. Let's turn through that side body and over to the sky. Let's come back to center and then to a downward dog. We're going to do the same on the left side. So inhale, bringing that knee to the chest, dropping it in front of us, and then dropping that back leg. Inhale, bringing those arms above head, really broadening through. Let's hold here. Again, we will sink into that front leg, really breathing deeply here, rolling those shoulders back and down. Let's walk those fingers behind us, really broadening through the chest. And then, of course, we'll run through some of those side chest rolls here. So dropping the left hand, right hand comes over, and then we'll drop the right hand, the left hand comes over through the side, and then broadening through the front. Last time here, really feeling that stretch along the side and front body. Inhaling, exhaling deeply as we broaden proudly towards the sky. Dropping those hands back to the center, we'll exhale into a downward dog. Let's hold here 5 breaths. Last breath here, and then we're going to roll forward into a plank, hold it, and then we'll drop into tabletop. Let's go ahead and bring the left knee into the chest, and then we're going to cross it over the right, tucking the toes here. We're going to bring that right hand in the middle of the mat, and then lift that left hand, and then bring it behind our back. A little bind here, but a great chest opener as well. Option to come on down to your forearms if that's a little bit easier. Unwinding yourself, inhaling, exhaling. Let's shake it on out, and then of course do the same on the other side. So right knee comes into the chest, and then we'll cross it on over the left. Let's tuck those toes, bringing that left hand to the middle now. Inhale. Lift up that right arm. Let's bind it behind, maybe grabbing the hip, the waist, the thigh. We want to look up or just have our chest trying to point upward. Another breath before we unwind. Inhaling. Exhale takes you on out of it. Let's come back to center, and then we're going to run through some cat-cows here. So readjusting, rolling those shoulders back and down, wrist underneath shoulders, hips or knees right underneath hips, and then we'll take some slow, deliberate cat-cows. Inhaling, exhaling, hollowing out the center, really gazing towards the navel, allowing that back to get a nice release as well. Let's do this 4 more times at your own pace. Breath, and then we'll come back to a neutral tabletop. Slide that right knee on in and extend that left leg long. Let's sit up tall, bring those arms to a T, sending the right hand to the left leg right behind us, a small bind, and then extending the left hand towards the left foot. Gaze has the option to go towards the sky or the mat, playing around maybe with both here. Breath, and we'll inhale, exhale on out of it, shake it on out. Inhale, bring those arms up and above head. Then we'll send the left hand to the right knee, gentle twist. Inhale back to center, and then we'll switch those legs on out. Left knee bends, right knee extends, or right leg extends. Sit up tall, hands come to a T. Left hand goes to right thigh, right hand goes to right foot. Again, option to play around with the gaze points, inhaling, looking towards the sky or down towards the mat. Still, the goal is just to have that chest, that side body as open as possible. Inhaling, exhaling on out of it, gentle twist, arms go up and above, and then right hand goes to left knee. Staying here just a breath, and we'll unwind back to center. Let's finish off here. Coming to an easy seat, just going to finish off with a few more postures. Inhaling, bringing the arms to a wide V. And then we'll exhale, hollowing out towards the center. Inhale, showing me your best gymnast pose. Exhale, bringing the arms together as we hollow out. One more time here. Inhale, really broadening through the chest, nice and proud. Exhale, dropping those hands behind us. Walking the fingers as far back as possible. And then really pushing through the upper back, allowing that chest, that sternum to feel broadened, stretched, proud. Maybe walking the fingers a little further back if it feels comfortable. Staying here, another breath. And then we'll slide those fingers on forward. Let's drop the right hand over, left hand goes up and above. Working through that side, front body, flexibility, mobility here. And really working through the side body and front body rotation, so dropping the hand, moving slowly through the side, and then exhaling as we twist towards the front body, really broadening through the chest and side body here. Last time, both sides. Holding a little bit longer on the right side. Palm goes towards the sky. And then we'll switch sides. Left hand goes down, right hand goes up. Palm goes towards the sky. Inhale, and then exhale back to center. Hopefully that was fun for you as much as it was for me. Let's roll those shoulders forward and back, forward and back. And then we'll sit up tall, finishing off here with some mindful breaths. Sitting up tall with the shoulders rolled back and down. Again, finishing with a few mindful breaths. Staying upright, broad, proud. Thanking your body for this wonderful practice. Blinking the eyes on open, we are finished. Thank you guys so much for flowing with me. Hopefully you're feeling a lot prouder and a lot broader through the chest. Like, subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video. See you soon. Namaste.